All right, today we are looking at a new Toshiba satellite. This is actually the A505 from the traditional satellite series, except that this is the, I guess, the next generation, the new one up. They made a few improvements. The biggest one being the new processor. It's no longer Core 2 Duo. It's now a Core i5, which is really, really nice using the new Nehalem architecture. This is actually the 430M. M stands for mobile. It's a 2.26 gigahertz dual core, but it does have hyper-threading, so it does behave like a quad core, which is really, really nice. This is a 16-inch model, so it's a pretty standard notebook. It's not too thick, not too thin. 16-inch screen. It's 1366 by 768, which is the new hot resolution that everybody seems to love, basically because it's 720p capable, but it's not a super high resolution where your graphics can't keep up. Very, very nice screen. Is an LED backlit LCD, so it does have some really nice contrast and really sharp colors, and it is a glossy front, so that means you're going to have a lot of saturation. Your colors are going to pop. The downside being that if you're somewhere really bright, sometimes you get like a nasty reflection, and it's hard to do, but you know, move the laptop and you should be okay. Now, it is a glossy front, flat style keyboard, which is really cool, the newer style keyboards. As you see on the back here, pretty nice, glossy back. It does have a little bit of a pattern. I don't know if you zoom in there, Jimmy. You can get in there and show them that pattern. It's basically just like a bunch of lines flowing. Yeah, you can't really see it, but it is. Oh, there it is. See, you can see it over here. It is a pretty pattern. It's very nice. And it's pretty sharp, I gotta give it. It's like a piano black finish. Very nice speakers, too, by Harman Kardon on here. And as far as the rest of the specs go, you got a lot of really, really good stuff here. 4 gigabytes of DDR3 memory are on board. You have a 500 gigabyte hard drive. You do have an integrated webcam up here at the top, and-draft wireless, 10100 Ethernet. It is powered, as far as graphics go, by the GMA 4500 HD chipset, which has like dynamically variable memory. So if you want to use a frame buffer, it'll do anything from 32 megabytes up to like 1.7 gigabytes, which it'll take from your system memory to use as frame buffer for the graphics. So basically, what that means to the common layperson is this thing can definitely do HD video. If you have a 1080p video file you want to play, you can do it 720p, no problem, and it will do 720p native on the screen. But if you want to use an HDMI cable and plug it into the HDMI port, which is on there, and plug it into a big TV like one of these, you will be able to output a big, nice, high-def signal out to that television, which makes it great for multimedia stuff. You want to share a movie with your friends. Hey, come over. I got this movie on my computer. Plug it in, watch the movie. It's really, really cool. Now, besides that, let me take you for a quick tour around this laptop. I'm going to show you where everything is. I'm going to start you off over here. This is the left-hand side, far back. You got a USB 2.0 port right there. This is your fan louver right there. This is a VGA port. This is 10100 Ethernet. This is a HDMI port, which will also transfer audio. It's good to know. It will transfer audio, so you don't have to worry about separate audio cable. This is a USB/eSATA hybrid, so you can actually plug a USB in here or an eSATA. This is a 54mm express card slots. If you want to add anything in there, like a TV tuner, you can. This is your input and output for your headsets and your microphones. Right up here in the front, you do have a manual switch for your wireless antenna. You also have a multi-card reader right there, so if you want to do your SD cards and your XD cards and your SDHCs, those are all going to fit right there, no problem. Over here in the top, we do have a couple indicator lights, AC power, laptop power, battery, hard drive, and the card reader. And now here is where the golden stuff is. This is what makes this thing a multimedia powerhouse. This is a Blu-ray disc player. So not only is it a super multi DVD RW player, but it is also a Blu-ray player, and it does have label flash. And if you don't know what that means, basically it means that you can pretty much print a nice high contrast image on the top of your disc, and it uses the same laser it uses to burn the disc, except that it goes on the top, and that gives you really professional results. Also, over here on this side, you have 2 more USB 2.0 ports, which actually brings the total to 5 if you include that hybrid, which is very nice. There's nothing here. This is actually a blocked-off modem port, which they do not, give you a modem. And then your AC power goes right there, and a Kensington lock port is also there. Now, as far as the front goes, I want to show you a couple things. First of all, very nice webcam up here at the top, which you're pretty used to seeing on just about any laptop, but it's a pretty good one. The quality is good, pretty decent low light, and it comes with some nice software to use. So if you want to do some Skype or some Messenger, it will work, no problem. But what I do want to show you is that actually down here, this trackpad is really cool. First of all, it has a button right here at the top, so you can turn the trackpad off and on. So very nice, and it does have this indicator light. You'll see that light, it'll turn off, it'll turn on. The other thing that's really cool about the trackpad is that it is multi-touch. So basically, if you want to do a 2-finger scroll, or you want to do like swipes, If you want to pinch to zoom and to zoom out, you can definitely do that with these multi-touch trackpads. Really, really, really cool stuff as far as that's concerned. So that's really, really nice. Besides that, the front is pretty much what you'd expect. Nice flat keyboard. It is a 16-inch, but it does have the numeric pad over here. So if you're one of those people that loves to have a numeric pad, but you don't want to carry a 17-inch laptop, that is a selling point for you. Nice big speakers, and then up here at the top, you do have some multimedia keys. They're actually touch keys with volume and whatnot all up here at the top. So very, very nice. And then finally, I want to show you one more thing. I'm trying to do this more often. This is Windows 7 Home Premium. I want to show you the Windows Home 7 Premium score, which is 4.3, which is quite the high score for a laptop. Very, very nice score. That means you're going to get great performance in just about anything. You can use this to Photoshop. You can edit movies on here. You can do just about anything. Surf the web, office work. It's really going to handle just about anything that you can throw at. Very nice computer. It's the A505 from the satellite line by Toshiba. Like a lot. Good stuff. If you have any questions on it, feel free to email me, and I'll see you guys next time. For more information on the Toshiba Satellite A505 16-inch laptop, type in T78-16100 into any major search engine. For Computer TV, I'm Albert.